Hey, I'm Goli, and today in Miss Cake Kitchen we are making these lovely raisin cookies. They bring back so many memories and taste amazing alongside a warm cup of tea or coffee, especially when shared with loved ones. Let's begin by creaming together 200 grams of icing sugar and 150 grams of room temperature butter until it's light, fluffy, and smooth. Then add 2 eggs, one at a time. Mix each egg until fully absorbed. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract with the second egg. And don't forget to scrape down the bowl. Now it's time for dry ingredients. Combine 5 grams of baking powder with 250 grams of all-purpose flour together and add them to the mixture. Finally, add 130 grams of raisins to the batter and fold them well. Once the sticky dough is ready, pipe it onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Leaving some space between each cookie. Lightly dampen your finger to smooth out the top of cookies. Then bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 13 minutes or until the edges are golden and the tops are lightly browned. Once they cool, you'll be ready to enjoy. These raisins cookies are absolutely delicious and perfect for sharing with loved ones. There's something so comforting about enjoying them together with a cup of tea or coffee. I hope you give them a try and love them as much as I do. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and leave your comments below. And be sure to check out my previous videos as well.